So yun guys, mag-unboxing tayo. Kakakuha lang po namin ng pencil.
Itaas nyo nga yung mga nakuha nyo. Okay.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Bukas na kayo? Oh, anong meron dyan? Una muna. Oh, meron silang whiteboard. Buksan nyo lahat. Tignan nyo muna whiteboard daw muna. Ay, sira yung sa kanya. Ilabas nyo lahat. Ilabas nyo lahat dito. Oh, whiteboard muna. Ito yung whiteboard mo. Oh, pencil case daw. Asan yung pencil case? Oh, ano laman ng pencil case? I-unbox nyo lahat ang meron. Alcohol yan?
Alcohol yan, sir. Hand sanitizer. Whiteboard.
Taray ng gamit din. Dami niyang gamit. Ilang notebook meron dyan?
Apat na. Ay, pinaglalaban mo. Pinaglalaban mo.
Wala na ba? Colored paper. Oh, okay na lahat?
Holder. Holder.
Oh, okay na. Wala na. Mag-thank you ka na dito kay Mayor John.
Thank you,
Good day. Kakawala po natin ang school supplies galing kay Mayor Joy. Titignan po natin isa-isa. Ready na ba kayo? Subscribe muna. Pangalawang lalagyan. Lungsod Quezon. Para di makakopya ang kaklase. Kagaya ng mga requirements. Whiteboard, blackboard, colored paper. Baka gusto nyo gawin yung mga ano dyan, kasi dyan. Siyempre hindi mawawala yung ating notebook na intermediate. Medyo pangkalawang pa guys. Okay, so kinakalawang pa guys. Notebook 1, 2, 3, 4. Science, Filipino, English, Math. Una sa lahat ang ating pencil base. Color, kulay ng buhay. USB, para gusto manood movie. Ballpen para sa science. Ballpen para sa math. Alcohol, iwas sakit. Sulatan ng whiteboard. Lapis pag magdo-drawing ka. Yun lang guys. Salamat sa inyo.
Oh, anong masasabi mo kay May? Anong... Mayor John.
Ay, papasalamat. Papasalamat nga po pala ako kay Mayor John.